This is such a classic question for Ford F-150 owners. That jerky hiccup feeling when you give it some gas, it can feel like your trusty truck suddenly has a mind of its own. I've seen this one pop up a lot. One of the main pain points is uncertainty. You press the accelerator, hoping for a smooth ride, but instead your F-150 lurches or shudders. It's embarrassing in traffic and unsettling if you've got a load in the bed or passengers on board. Most jerking issues during acceleration usually trace back to three usual suspects: fuel delivery, ignition, or transmission problems. Sometimes it's one culprit, other times it's like a buffet of mini problems, all acting up at once. Let's zoom into the fuel side of things first. A clogged fuel filter can strangle the amount of gas actually reaching your engine. It's like trying to drink a milkshake through a coffee straw. You're going to sputter and wheeze before you get anywhere. Another sneaky one is dirty or failing fuel injectors. It doesn't matter how much you smash the gas pedal. If those injectors are gummed up, your F-150 won't get the right fuel-air mix. Count on jerking, hesitation, and subpar acceleration. Ignition system issues like worn-out spark plugs are a big offender here, too. These little guys are supposed to fire off precisely. Even a single misfire as you speed up can make your truck lurch or feel like it skipped a beat. A step-by-step here? First thing, check your dashboard for any engine warning lights. If there's even a hint of yellow or orange glowing, go get a diagnostic code read. It's free at a lot of auto parts stores and narrows things down instantly. The transmission gets overlooked way too often. Delayed or rough shifting in F-150s is a known habit. If the shudder happens mostly when your truck shifts gears, you might be looking at a transmission fluid issue or a failing solenoid. Don't forget about the mass airflow sensor, MAF. This little device tells your truck's computer how much air is entering the engine. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, the info your truck gets is just wrong, which can scramble acceleration response in a big way. Drive shaft or U-joint problems can also mimic jerky acceleration. This is especially true at lower speeds. If your F-150 is getting older, these parts deserve a quick inspection under the hood, or more accurately, under the bed. A huge pro tip: if your truck jerks mostly when you're climbing a hill, towing, or loaded up, don't ignore it. Bad coil packs can manifest under heavy engine load, and once they go, so does your pickup's pep. Numbers give this some context. In my experience, 9 out of 10 F-150 jerking complaints are eventually traced to simple maintenance stuff. Swapping in new plugs or cleaning a MAF sensor can solve problems that feel way bigger. A final thought: always listen for additional sounds when your F-150 jerks. Clunks, grinding, or weird buzzing noises can hint at multiple issues teaming up. The more info you can give your mechanic, the cheaper and faster your fix will be. If you're comfortable wrenching, start with the basics: fresh fuel filter, new spark plugs, run some injector cleaner, and check those fluids. If the jerking hangs around, it's time to scan codes, or in a pinch, bribe your friend Scott in Portland for a diagnostic run.